If you're managing dispatch through a group text, a whiteboard, or just shouting across the shop, you already know what that costs you. Wasted time, frustrated customers, techs sitting idle while someone tries to figure out who should be where. We're FieldPulse, and we build field service management software. And dispatch is one of the core functions we've built it around. In this video, we're going to run through 8 of the best dispatch software options on the market, including ours, so you can see exactly what's out there and pick the one that actually fits how your business runs. Before we get into the list, let's talk about what dispatch software actually needs to do for you. Because a lot of tools call themselves dispatch software and only check 1 or 2 of these boxes. You need a live map, not a calendar, a real-time view of where your techs are so you can make smart routing decisions on the fly. You need a drag and drop board, so reassigning a job takes 1 move, not 5 clicks. You need your techs to get job updates on their phone the second something changes, and automated customer notifications so nobody's calling the office asking where their tech is. And all of it needs to connect to your customer records and invoicing. Otherwise, you're just moving boxes around on a screen and still re-entering everything manually at the end of the day. Let's get into it. Here are the best dispatch software tools available right now. We're starting with FieldPulse because we think it's the best overall dispatch solution for field service companies with 5 to 100 team members. And we want to show you exactly why before we get into the alternatives. FieldPulse is built specifically for commercial and residential field service businesses. HVAC, plumbing, electrical, garage door, appliance repair. The kinds of businesses where dispatch isn't just scheduling, it's the whole operation. And the dispatch features are built around that. This is the drag and drop scheduler. Every tech, every job, every status, all in one view. You can see what's assigned, what's in progress, what's done. If something changes, a tech calls in sick, a job runs long, an emergency call comes in. You drag the job to another tech and drop it. That's it, 1 move. Think about a plumbing company with 12 techs running across a metro area. On a normal day, 2 or 3 things are going to change. A job takes longer than expected. A customer cancels. Someone calls in. Without a dispatch board like this, your dispatcher is on the phone constantly, trying to figure out who's where and what to move. They're not dispatching anymore. They're just holding the whole operation together manually, acting as the go-between for the field and the office. Every schedule change becomes a chain of calls and texts. Every customer asking, "Where's my tech?" is another interruption. And if they miss one of these calls, the job doesn't move. With this, they can see everything and make the call in 30 seconds. The schedule updates, the tech gets notified, and the office stays out of the relay business. Every time. Live GPS tracking shows you every tech's location and status on a map in real time. When that emergency call comes in, you're not calling around asking who's closest. You can see it. You put the closest tech on the job, and they're rolling in under a minute. For something like an appliance repair company covering a wide service area, this makes the difference between getting someone on site in 45 minutes versus 2 hours. The customer experience changes completely. The various calendar views let you look at the whole day, the full week, or filter by individual tech. So you can plan tomorrow's schedule while keeping an eye on what's happening today. Switch between day view, week view, and tech view without losing your place. Whatever you need depending on whether you're planning ahead or managing in the moment. The second you make a change on the dispatch board, it hits the tech's phone. They get the new job address, the customer info, and the job notes. Everything they need before they pull out of the driveway. No phone call from the dispatcher, no text with an address followed by 3 clarifying texts. And automated customer updates go out automatically too. The customer gets a notification that their tech is on the way with an ETA. Nobody's calling the office asking where their tech is. That alone saves your office staff a surprising amount of time every single day. Here's what separates FieldPulse from tools that are just dispatch boards. Every job on that board is connected to a full customer record. When a tech rolls up to a job, they can pull up the customer's complete history. Prior visits, equipment on site, notes from the last service call. That context is the difference between a tech who walks in blind and one who already knows what they're dealing with. And when the job's done, it flows directly into invoicing. Parts used, labor, any approved add-ons, the invoice is built from the job. No re-entry, no gaps, no end-of-day data entry for the office. One of the things that makes FieldPulse different from a lot of the tools on this list is how much it cuts down on admin overload. Most platforms force your team to adapt to their system. Complicated menus, endless tabs, one-size-fits-all steps. ClearPath fixes that. It lets you build automated workflows that mirror the way your business already runs. A maintenance visit has a different set of guided steps than an emergency repair or a new install. Your techs see a simple focus view that tells them exactly what to do next. Fewer clicks, less confusion, and nothing left undocumented. Customer and job details automatically move through the workflow so the job gets done once, not twice. Dispatch in FieldPulse isn't a standalone feature. It connects to work orders, invoicing, the mobile app, customer records. All of it flows together. That's what makes it a dispatch system instead of just a dispatch tool. Our customers are fully up and running within a month. Our support team is made up of real people right here in Dallas, available by phone, email, or chat, and consistently rated 9.6 out of 10 by third-party reviewers. That matters when dispatch is broken at 7 a.m. on a Monday and you've got 10 techs waiting to know where to go. Workyard is a solid tool if your priority is workforce tracking and labor management. The GPS and time tracking features are strong, good for teams that bill by the hour, need to prove time on site to clients, or want detailed labor cost reporting. If you're running crews where accountability for hours is the core problem, Workyard handles that well. Where it falls short for most field service businesses is that it's primarily a workforce management tool, not a full dispatch and job management platform. The job management side is light, invoicing is limited. You'd end up pairing it with other tools to cover the full workflow, which means more logins, more data entry, more things to go wrong. It's a workforce tracker, not a field service operations system. ServiceTitan's dispatch features are genuinely excellent. Live GPS, technician scorecards, automated routing, call tracking that ties phone calls to jobs. If you've got 100 plus techs and a dedicated ops team to manage the platform, the dispatch engine in ServiceTitan is worth a serious look. The reality for most businesses watching this, though, ServiceTitan is an enterprise product with an enterprise price tag and an enterprise implementation. 4 to 6 months to go live. Their ease of setup is rated 6.8 out of 10 on G2 versus our 8.6. Support quality is 7.7 versus our 9.6. The ROI math works at a certain scale. It just doesn't work for a 15 or 20 person team paying enterprise prices and spending 6 months getting the thing live before they can even use it. Makula is a newer platform focused heavily on commercial and industrial service businesses, facilities management, complex multi-location equipment servicing. If you're doing a lot of commercial work with complex assets tracking across big sites, it's worth looking at. It's less suited for residential field service, and as a newer entrant, it's still building out features that platforms like FieldPulse have had for years. The dispatch tools are functional, but not as mature. Worth keeping an eye on if you're in commercial or industrial, but not the right fit for most HVAC, plumbing, or electrical residential businesses. Jobber is where a lot of field service businesses start when they decide they need dispatch software, and it earns that position. It's easy to set up, the dispatcher can learn it in a day, and the basics work well. Schedule a job, assign it to a tech, send a notification. Simple. The ceiling shows up fast when you need more. GPS fleet tracking is limited. Custom dashboards for your dispatcher are limited. Guided onboarding is limited. As Jobber themselves position it, it's built for getting started. If you're past 5 to 10 techs and running a real dispatch operation with multiple job types and a busy schedule, you're going to feel those limits every single day. FieldEdge is purpose-built for HVAC and plumbing, which gives it trade-specific depth in some areas. The flat rate pricing integration and service agreement features are solid for those trades. On the dispatch side, it's limited. No custom dashboards, no custom workflows. Automated customer communication is limited. So if you want automated on-my-way texts or arrival notifications, you'll need a separate tool. Their ease of setup is rated 7.4 versus our 8.6. If flexibility and customization matter to how you run dispatch, FieldEdge is going to feel restrictive. It's best for shops that want a fixed, structured system and are specifically in HVAC or plumbing. Zuper has a clean, modern interface and puts a lot of emphasis on the customer experience side of field service. Technician tracking links you can share with customers, solid built-in messaging, good customer communication tools. If keeping your customers informed at every step is the top priority, Zuper does that well. It's a reasonable mid-market option, where it's lighter, back-office operations. Reporting, deep customization, and workflow flexibility aren't as strong as a full platform like FieldPulse. The dispatch board is functional, but not as powerful. If you need the dispatch system to carry a lot of operational weight and adapt to complex job types, you'll find Zuper's limits faster than you'd expect. Dispatch, the software, is built specifically around the dispatcher role. The interface is designed for teams where someone's whole job is routing calls to technicians or contractors. For that specific use case, it does what it says. It's clean, it's focused on the routing and assignment workflow, and a dedicated dispatcher can get efficient with it quickly. Where it falls short, if you need dispatch to connect to work orders, invoicing, customer records, and a mobile app for your techs all in one platform, it's going to be limited. It's a specialized tool built for one part of the operation. If you're running a full field service business, you'll end up needing other software alongside it, which creates the data entry and integration problems you were trying to solve in the first place. 8 tools, all worth knowing about. For growing field service businesses, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, garage door, that need dispatch to actually connect to the rest of the operation, FieldPulse is the best option. There's a link in the video description to book a demo with our team. We'll walk you through exactly how dispatch works for your type of business. Usually takes about 30 minutes, and you'll leave knowing exactly how it fits your operation. Hit like if this was useful. Subscribe for more field service content, and we'll see you in the next one.